video, we will tackle about media and information literacy. Handa na ba kayo? Let's start. First of all, why do we need to learn MIL or Media and Information Literacy? We need to learn media and information literacy for us to be literate. We need to enhance our knowledge on how all media and information affects our everyday lives. Be responsible users and competent producers of media and information. We know that media is everywhere and fake news is everywhere too. As a simple reminder, let us all be literate in media content and information before we will going to share it. So let's proceed to the definition of media and information literacy. According to UNESCO, media and information literacy is the set of competences that empowers us to access, understand, evaluate, and use, to create as well as share information and media content in all formats using various tools. Second, media and information literacy consists of a knowledge, the attitudes, and the sum of skills needed to know when and what information is needed. It also enables us to understand the role of media in our society. Next here are the concepts that are related and we should remember in media and information literacy. Literacy is the ability to identify, understand, interpret, create, communicate, and compute using printed and written materials. For example, how we use computer. Using computer is one of skills. At doon papasok ang literacy once we use the applications in the computer like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel to do our assignments and projects. We have literacy. And ano yung tinatawag natin na literate? Literate refers to the person who does not only know how to read and write, but also to understand and solve problem. So, hindi lang kailangan na mayroon tayong literacy. Literacy, in short, kaalaman. Hindi lang kailangan na mayroon tayong literacy. We also need to be a literate person. Next, media literacy. It is the ability to access, analyze, interpret, and create media in a variety of forms. It is our ability to decode the messages, assess it into thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, and create media. It encompasses some skills like identifying fake news, use multiple sources, cultivating multimedia skills, and becoming responsible media users and creators. Here are some media that we should cultivate literacy: televisions, blog posts, video games, social media, and more. Let's have the information literacy. American Library Association defines it as a set of requiring individuals to recognize when the information is needed. We have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use effectively the needed information. We can acquire and develop the following skills. Be aware on how to engage with today's digital world. Critique the information we find. Articulate it, evaluate, and use it ethically. Lastly, let's proceed to the last concept of media and information literacy: the technology literacy. It is the ability of an individual to assess, acquire, and communicate information in a fully digital environment. One person who possesses this kind of literacy will able to easily utilize a variety of digital devices like computers, smartphones, tablets, and more. An individual who is technologically or digitally literate is well-versed in thinking critically and communicating by utilizing technology. These individuals understand on how to consume, create, authenticate, and share digital content and can easily adapt to new technologies. Media plays a big role in our lives. As I said earlier, it is everywhere, and if we will not be a responsible users of it, it may lead us in danger. Because it is everywhere, we cannot prevent to use it. So don't get too attached in media, especially in online media like social media. Being too attached can prevent us from spending quality time with our friends, family, and our loved ones. Also, learn how to balance between our life and media. Respect other people's opinion on it. Because we have different perspectives, so learn how to respect it. Observe proper conduct online and do not share fake information. Let's always think before we click. Because as a consumers of media, we have the ability to understand, translate, and use the information we receive in the best and right way. Once again, I am Anne-Michelle G. Manalo, and this is my introduction in media and information literacy. I hope you've learned a lot from this discussion. Thank you! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos. Bye! Thank you for watching!